Forget about outdated egg cooking methods. Today, I'm going to share with you some incredibly effective egg cooking tips that will surely completely change your previous perceptions. Don't miss any of these methods. Let's get started. Tip 1. Eggs in a jar, super fast to fluffy. I prepared 2 small heat-resistant glass jars. Then I cracked 1 egg into each jar. Add mayonnaise for a creamy, rich texture. Then add some grated cheese to give the dish a nice aroma and a slight chewiness when cooked. Next, I closed the lid tightly and shook it well to mix all the ingredients together. In just a few seconds, the mixture became smooth and thicker. Then, I opened the lid. This step is crucial to avoid the pressure from the spin cycle, causing the eggs to explode. Now I'm putting both jars in the microwave. Record for about 2 minutes. When you take it out, you'll find the egg mixture has expanded, becoming fluffy, light, soft, and fragrant with the aroma of eggs, cheese, and mayonnaise blended together. You can gently cut a line with a knife, and you'll see the smooth, fluffy, and pleasantly airy egg layer inside. A quick and easy yet incredibly delicious scrambled eggs dish that makes for a simple yet tasty meal. Tip 2. If you've never heard of egg yolk noodles, this will be an interesting experience worth trying. The method is very simple. First, prepare a clean and dry syringe. Gently suck the egg yolk into the syringe, trying to suck slowly to avoid air bubbles. Then, boil a pot of water to a gentle simmer, just enough to ripple the surface, not a vigorous boil, as too much heat will break the yolk strands. When the water reaches the right temperature, squeeze the syringe evenly to let the yolk flow down in thin streams directly into the pot. In just 1 to 2 minutes, the heat will solidify the yolk, forming small, bright yellow noodles that are slightly curved and very appealing. When removed, the yolk strands are soft, rich, slightly chewy, and have a distinctive aroma. They can be served with rice noodles, ramen, or added to soup to enhance richness and nutrition. Children love mini noodles because they are visually appealing and easy to eat. These egg yolk noodles are nutritious, suitable for both children and adults, and make meals tastier and more appealing. Tip 3. Eggs not sticking to the pan. Crack eggs directly onto an old nonstick pan or cast iron pan without enough oil. The egg whites will easily stick to the pan, spread unevenly, and be difficult to keep round. When removing them, the edges will tear or break, and the yolks will easily bump and break. Preheat the pan, brush with a thin layer of oil, then place a sheet of parchment paper, wax paper, on the pan surface. Crack the egg onto the parchment paper. The whites will stay contained within the paper, cook evenly, and not stick to the pan surface. When the egg reaches the desired doneness, simply lift the parchment paper and slide the egg onto a plate. This method helps control the shape of the fried egg, making it easy to remove without flipping or turning, suitable for sunny side up style, or when you need to present the egg beautifully. Tip 4. Perfect poached eggs. I prepared a bowl. Add about 80 milliliters of apple cider vinegar to it. Then crack 5 eggs directly into it. The vinegar here helps the egg whites solidify faster, preventing them from becoming watery, resulting in neat, beautiful eggs that are much easier to handle. Next, I heated a pot of water until it was simmering gently, not boiling vigorously because boiling water can easily crack the eggs. Next, I gently poured all the eggs and vinegar into the pot. The steam is getting very hot now, so be careful. Right now, you'll see the egg whites clumped together, the yolks neatly wrapped around the yolks. Do you see that white stuff floating all over the pot? That's some free water in the egg whites. This part is very liquid and easily separates when heated. I poached the eggs for about 2 minutes. Then, I took them out and immediately put them in a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process. After rinsing with cold water, use your hands to separate the excess egg white. Now look how beautifully these eggs have taken on their original shape. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Simply cut lightly the runny yolk, which is incredibly beautiful. The great thing about this method is that you don't need to blanch each egg individually. You can do many at once, saving time while still getting a consistent result. Tip 5. First, prepare a clean plastic bag or a sheet of food wrap, cling film. Stretch the plastic wrap over the rim of a bowl. Then lightly brush a very thin layer of cooking oil on the surface to prevent sticking. Gently crack an egg into the center. Next, twist the opening of the plastic wrap tightly to form a small, neat pouch. Repeat this step with as many eggs as you need. Use a pair of chopsticks to thread horizontally through the knotted part of each egg pouch. The pot, so the egg pouches hang suspended in the water. This way, the eggs don't touch the bottom of the pot and will cook more evenly. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes depending on how well done you want the eggs. There's no need to cover the pot with a lid. Once the eggs are cooked, remove them and let them cool naturally. When the eggs have cooled, use scissors to cut off the tied end of the plastic wrap and take the egg out. Thanks to the initial thin layer of oil, you can easily remove the egg without it sticking. The final result is a perfectly round, poached egg with smooth egg white surrounding a glossy golden yolk, very appetizing and beautiful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.